How to log into JCPenney Associate Kiosk. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into JCPenney Associate Kiosk. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device, and at the search bar of the browser, you will have to type JCPenney Associate Kiosk. Here, make sure you have created account on it. Once it loads, you'll find various search results. From here, click on this first link. After clicking on it, you'll be taken to the official website of JCPenney. Here, you'll find the topics categorized under two headings: active associates and former associates. Here, select associate kiosk @home from active associate. After clicking on this, you will be redirected to the new page where you will see the login interface. At the first box on this side, you'll have to type the username, and at the second box you'll have to type your password. After that, here make sure you enter the correct password. If in case you don't remember the password, you can also click on this forgot my password option and follow the instructions that are provided to you, and you will be able to recover your password. Now after entering all your details, click on this login button right here, and then you will be able to log into JCPenney Associate Kiosk. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.